Good morning to our respected manager, Sister Amelia, Principal, Sister Jesseline, Vice Principal, Sister Evelyn, sisters, teachers, parents, and dear students. It is with great joy and excitement that we gather here today to celebrate the achievements of our students and witness the culmination of their hard work and dedication. Welcome to the Result Day ceremony of SMCS Gandupal. To begin this wonderful occasion, let us all bow our heads and open our heart in prayer. May we seek guidance and blessings for our students, their teachers, and our school community. Now, I request our teachers to lead us in prayer.
सुप्रभात सम्मान्य प्रधानाचार्य महोदया, प्रबंधक महोदया, शिक्षकगण, अभिभावकगण और प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम सभी यहाँ एक विशेष अवसर पर एकत्रित हुए हैं जब हम परिणाम घोषित करने जा रहे हैं। यह दिन हमारे लिए न केवल मेहनत और सफलता को मान्यता देने वाला है, बल्कि यह दिन हमें अपने आशीर्वाद और समर्थन को याद करने का भी अवसर देता है। इस विशेष अवसर पर परिणामों की घोषणा से पहले हम एक क्षण के लिए ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करें ताकि हम सभी को बुद्धि, शक्ति और साहस मिले। हम प्रार्थना करते हैं कि जो भी परिणाम हो हम उसे खुले दिल से स्वीकार करें और आने वाले समय में और अधिक मेहनत, समर्पण और दृढ़ संकल्प से सफलता की ओर बढ़ें। हम सब एक साथ सिर झुकाकर प्रार्थना करते हैं ताकि यह अवसर हमारे लिए सकारात्मक, सफलता और नई उम्मीदों का मार्गदर्शन करे। धन्यवाद।
हे प्रभु, हमारे सभी शिक्षकों को आशीर्वाद करें, उन्हें अपने कर्तव्यों को निभाने की शक्ति, समझ और धैर्य दे। उनके प्रयासों से हम ज्ञान और अच्छे संस्कार प्राप्त कर सकें। उनके जीवन में सुख, शांति और समृद्धि का संचार हो। हे प्रभु, हमारी प्रार्थना स्वीकार कर।
हे प्रभु, हमारी प्रार्थना स्वीकार कर।
हे प्रभु, हमारे विद्यालय के प्रशासन को अपनी कृपा से आशीर्वादित करें, उन्हें सही निर्णय लेने की समझ और मार्गदर्शन दें ताकि विद्यालय का विकास हो और विद्यार्थियों के लिए सर्वोत्तम वातावरण बना रहे। हे प्रभु, हमारी प्रार्थना स्वीकार करें।
हे प्रभु, हमारी प्रार्थना स्वीकार करें।
हे परमेश्वर, हमारे सभी माता पिता को आशीर्वाद दें। उन्हें अपने बच्चों की परवरिश में शक्ति, प्रेम, सहनशीलता प्रदान करें। उनके दिलों में अपने बच्चों के लिए सच्चा प्यार और समर्थन हो ताकि वे बच्चों के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए मार्गदर्शक बन सकें। हे प्रभु, हमारी प्रार्थना स्वीकार कर।
हे प्रभु, हमारी प्रार्थना स्वीकार कर।
हे प्रभु, हमारे गैर शिक्षण कर्मचारियों को भी आशीर्वादित करें। उनके कठिन परिश्रम और योगदान को सराहें। उन्हें स्वस्थ, खुशहाल और सुरक्षित जीवन दें ताकि वे विद्यालय में अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को अच्छे से निभा सकें। हे प्रभु, हमारी प्रार्थना स्वीकार कर।
हे प्रभु, हमारी प्रार्थना स्वीकार कर।
हे परमपिता परमेश्वर, हमारे विद्यालय के सभी सदस्य, शिक्षक, प्रशासन, माता पिता और गैर शिक्षण कर्मचारी को अपनी कृपा से आशीर्वाद दें। हम सभी को अपने कर्तव्य को पूरी ईमानदारी और निष्ठा से निभाने की शक्ति दे। हमारे विद्यालय के में शांति, समृद्धि और सफलता का वातावरण बना रहे। हे प्रभु हमारी प्रार्थना स्वीकार कर।
हे प्रभु हमारी प्रार्थना स्वीकार कर। Thank you teachers for enlightening us to pray. May all our efforts be blessed and may we continue to grow in knowledge and spirit. It's now time to recognize and celebrate the outstanding academic achievements of our students. We begin with the most awaited segment, the announcement of awards in various categories. We will begin with the Academic Excellence Award of the Year. This award is presented to the student who has demonstrated outstanding academic performance across all subjects and has set an example for others to follow. Please join me in welcoming Sister Amelia, the esteemed manager of our school, to the stage to present the Academic Excellence of the Year. From class nursery, the award goes to Asar Ali. He has received A+ percentage. Also to come to the stage. From LKG we have Rayans Gill. Please give them From LKG we have Rayans Gill. From UKG Harshit Chaudhary. From UKG Harshit Chaudhary. From class first, the award goes to Asmit Kaur. She has received 96.8 percentage. Asmit Kaur. From class second we have Vaibhav Sharma, who has received 96.60 percentage. Vaibhav Sharma's parents is there. From class third, the award goes to Dhairya, who has received 95.48 percentage. From class fourth, we have Maninder, who has received 90.2 percentage. Maninder. From class fifth, we have Abhinav Sharma, who has received 91.98 percentage. Abhinav Sharma from class 5th. From class 6th, we have Tejas Chaudhary, who has received 90.43 percentage.
Take that from her. Ma'am.
From class 7, we have Ishika, who has received 92.45 percentage. Class 8, Abhay Singh, who has received 85.61 percentage. Class 9, Anirudh, who has received 90.5 percentage. Class 9, Anirudh. Come along with your parents. From class 11th, we have Tilak, who has received 81.58 percentage.
Good.
From LKG, Rayans Gill. Please come to the stage and receive the Academic Excellence Award. Next, we'll honor the best student of each class. This student have not only excelled academically, but also have actively participated in various extracurricular activities, setting an exemplary behavior before all. nursery, best student goes to Bharvi. From class nursery, best student goes to Bharvi. From LKG, the award goes to Vaibhav Chaudhary. LKG Vaibhav Chaudhary. From UKG, the best student award goes to Anaya Dhariwal. Anaya Dhariwal.
लेके जाओ पापा को साथ में.
From class first, the award goes to Survi Sharma. Class first, Survi Sharma. From class second, the award goes to Chesta Chaudhary. Please give them a big round of applause.
एकदम मुस्कुराना, ठीक है?
From class second, Chester Chaudhary. From class third, award goes to Lavyanshi. Class third, Lavyanshi. Class fourth, the best student award goes to Avni Mangat.
मुस्कुराना थोड़ा. मम्मी कहाँ है?
Avni Mangat is absent. From class 5th we have Soumya Singh. Soumya Singh from class 5th.
Very good, very good.
Class 6th we have Radhika. Class 6th Radhika.
Very good, राधिका. बाल पीछे को डालो, राधिका. कोई नहीं आएगा.
Class 7 Lavi Chaudhary. Class 7 Lavi Chaudhary.
നിന്നോ, ജസ്ലിൻ നിന്നോ. നടക്ക്. ആ.
Class 8 Tanvi Singh. Class 8 Tanvi Singh. Class 9 Yashasvi.
Food doesn't even take a part.
Class 9 Yashasvi. Class 11 Manya.
Where is Yashasvi? I saw her like
Thank you, Sister Amelia, for presenting the award, and congratulations to all. Your dedication and hard work have truly paid off, and we are so proud of your achievement. Now it's time to recognize those who have proved worthy to receive the extraordinary academic excellence. Let us now begin with the students who have received pink card and medals for achieving 90% and above in their respective classes. I request Sister Jaslin, our principal, to come to the stage and present the award. From class nursery, pink card goes to Asar Ali, Bharvi, Kairav Sirohi, Sanaya Malik. From class nursery, pink card goes to Asar Ali, Bharvi, Kairav Sirohi, Sanaya Malik. Please appreciate them with a big round of applause.
Very good. Very good. So many items.
From LKG, pink card goes to Janvi and Rayans Gill. Janvi and Rayans Gill. Janvi is absent from LKG. Rayans Gill. From UKG, pink card goes to Adhiraj Singh, Dhruv Sharma and Harshil Chaudhary. Manvik Chaudhary and Mankit Narwal.
लाइन में जाओ बेटा, ऊपर लाइन में जाओ.
Adhiraj Singh, Dhruv Sharma,
apa madam.
Harshil Chaudhary, Manvik Chaudhary and Mankit Narwal. They have received A+ in all the subjects. From class first, goes to Asmit Kaur, who has received 96.85%. Manan, 94.89%. Varnika Singh, 93.8%. Yukti, 92.4%. Ashmit Kaur, Manan, Varnika Singh, Yukti. From class 7, Vaibhav Sharma, who has received 96.6%. Ishmit Kaur, 94.56%. Nitya, 92.50%. Piyush Goswami, 92.48%. Manvit Chaudhary, 90.98%. Adi Singh, 90.4%. Vaibhav Sharma, Smit Kaur, Nitya, Piyush Goswami, Manvit Chaudhary, and Adi Singh.
This also you.
From class 3rd, pink card goes to Dhairya, who has received 95.48%, and Pranav, who has received 91.95%. Dhairya and Pranav. Class 4th, Maninder Kaur, who has received 90.2%. Maninder Kaur from class 4th. Class 5th, pink card goes to Abhinav Sharma, who has received 91.98%. From class 6th, Tejas, who has received 90.43%. From class 7, Ishika, 92.45%. Class 9, Anirudh, who has received 90.5%.
वेरी गुड दादा को लेके जाओ पापा को बोलना था एक दिन के लिए आने के लिए दादा ने कोटी मोमोस
Thank you, Sister Jesslyn, for presenting the award. What an inspiring group of students. These awards are a testament to their dedication and excellence. Moving on, we will now recognize the students who have achieved 80% and above in their respective classes. These students will receive the yellow card and medals as the symbol of their hard work and perseverance. I invite Sister Evelyn, our Vice Principal, to come to the stage and present the award. From class nursery, yellow card goes to Mahi Gola, Vaishnavi and Devans. They have received A in all the subjects. Mahi Gola, Vaishnavi and Devans. First one is Mahi, then Vaishnavi, then Devans. From LKG, yellow card goes to Lovepreet and Abhimanyu Dhariwal. They also have received A in all the subjects. Lovepreet and Abhimanyu Dhariwal. From UKG, Anaya Dhariwal, Arav Srivaj, Dakshika and Lucky Goswami. From UKG, Anaya Dhariwal, Arav Srivaj, Dakshika and Lucky Goswami. From class first, yellow card goes to Varnit Singh, who has received 84.88%, Manu Shrestha 82.33%, Harmeet Singh 81.13%. Varnit Singh from class first, Manu Shrestha, Harmeet Singh. Class second, yellow card goes to Vardhan Singh, who has received 86.1%. Vardhan's parents have not come. He's there. Parents is there. Class third, Avanya, who has received 87.66%. Class fourth, yellow card goes to Karthik Bain, who has received 82.11%. Shaurya Sirohi 82.5%. Daksh Sharma 80.77%. From class 4, Karthik Bain 82.11%. Absent. Shaurya Sirohi 82.5%. Daksh Sharma 80.77%. From class 5th, yellow card goes to Harpreet Kaur, who has received 84.34%. Divya Chaudhary 82.06%. Isika Chaudhary 80.7%. Harpreet Kaur, Divya Chaudhary, Ishika Chaudhary. Please give them a big round of applause. Class 6, yellow card goes to Shaurya, who has received 88.68%. Gagan 87.79%. Keshav Kumar 86.9%. Radhika 80.63%. Bhuvika Chaudhary 80.57%. Arav Sharma 80.30%. Class 6, Shaurya, Gagan, Keshav Kumar, Radhika, Bhuvika Chaudhary, Arav Sharma. From class 7, yellow card goes to Aruj Singh 85.66%. Lavi Chaudhary 82.71%. Parth Gola 81.82%. Aruj is absent. Lavi Chaudhary, Parth Gola. Class 8, Abhay Singh 85.61%. Palak Chaudhary 83.42%. Parth Sharma 82.45%. Keshav Keshav Chaudhary 80.89 percentage, Shubhi 80.3 percentage. Abhay, Palak, Parth Sharma, Keshav Chaudhary, Shubhi. From class 9, yellow card goes to Drishti 88.3 percentage, Pratik 83 percentage. Class 9 Drishti and Pratik. Class 11 Tilak 81.58 percentage, Pranav 80.83 percentage, Manya 80 percentage. Class 11 Tilak, Pranav and Manya. For best student from class 4th, Avni Mangat is there. Avni Mangat. Pink card from class 1st we have Varnika Singh. She has received 93.8 percentage. Mankit from UKG, Mankit Narwal from UKG. He has received pink card with A+ grade. Yellow card, Varnit Singh, who has received 84.88 percentage. Varnit Singh from class 1st. Thank you, Sister Evelyn, for presenting the award. Now we come to a very special category, the Full Attendance Award. These students have shown exceptional dedication by attending every single class throughout the academic year. Their commitment to their education is truly commendable. I invite Sister Lizzie to come forward and present the award. Full Attendance Award from class 5th. We have Anand Kumar. Anand Kumar, please come with your parents. They have not missed a single class throughout the year. Please give a big round of applause for him. Then we have Dhairya Chaudhary from class 5th. Divya Chaudhary from class 5th. Dhairya Chaudhary from class 5th. Divya Chaudhary from class 5th. Harpreet Kaur from class 5th.
Next also should be given next.
Miku Chaudhary from class 6th.
Good health, good things they have provided.
Harpreet Kaur. Miku Singh from class 6th. Aditi Gola from class 7th. Aditi Gola from class 7. Harsh George from class 7th. Parth Gola from class 7th. Krishna Sharma from class 8th. Palak Chaudhary from class 8th. Ritika Chaudhary from class 8th. Ritika Chaudhary, Palak Chaudhary, Ritika Chaudhary and Tanmeet from class 9th. Tanmeet from class 9th. These are the students who have come to the school throughout the year, and special congratulations to the parents who have sent their student to the class every day without missing a single class. Thank you, Sister Lizzie, for awarding the students. Now, I request Sister Jasleen, our principal, to address the gathering and share a few words of wisdom and motivation.
A warm and pleasant morning to all of you present here. It is with great pleasure and pride that I stand before you today to celebrate the culmination of another successful academic year at St. Mary's Convent School, Gandupal. The annual result day is not just a day of recognition, but a testament to the hard work, dedication and perseverance of each and every individual within our school community. To our exceptional students, I extend my heartfelt congratulations. Your commitment to excellence, both in classroom and beyond, has truly set you apart. I also want to express my deepest gratitude to our devoted teaching staff. Your unwavering support, guidance and mentorship have been instrumental in shaping the futures of our students. Your passion for education and dedication to nurturing young minds inspires us all. To the parents and guardians gathered here today, thank you for entrusting us with the education and well-being of your children. Your unwavering support and encouragement have played a crucial role in their success. Together we have formed a strong partnership in nurturing the next generation of leaders, innovators and global citizens. As we celebrate the achievements of our students today, let us also reflect on the values that define us as a school community: integrity, compassion, resilience and commitment to lifelong learning. These values will continue to guide us as we strive to create a brighter future for all. I want to congratulate all the students who have not come to the stage, but for the future they will be coming on the stage. I wish you all the best and congratulate all of you. In closing, I want to once again congratulate our dear students on their remarkable achievements and thank everyone who has contributed to the success of this academic year. Let us continue to work together with passion and purpose to empower and inspire the leaders of tomorrow. Thank you to one and all.
For full attendance, one parents have left out. He was Harsh George. He is the parent of Harsh George. Best Student Award for Class 9 we have Yashashvi. Yashashvi, please come to the stage. Thank you, sister. Congratulations once again to all our awardees. Your hard work, discipline, and perseverance have led you to these remarkable achievements, and we hope this inspire others to follow in your footsteps. As we conclude this ceremony, we would like to thank our manager, Sister Amelia, Principal Sister Jesseline, Vice Principal Sister Evelyn, teachers, parents, and all the students for their continued support and encouragement. It is your collective effort that makes this school community so special. Once again, heartfelt congratulations to all the awardees today. May this be a stepping stone for an even greater accomplishment in the future. Thank you everyone for being part of this memorable occasion. We wish all our students continued success in their future endeavor. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you.